Where'd it go? D29 needs to be painted 12. D29. 12 is, you have to look at the color conversion thing in the back. Scarlet. Red. It must be a backlight. D29. Do I have a red? Pure red. D. 29. Right there. And I think what they're talking about is, holy crap. I need a magnifying glass. Wow. Because I think what they're talking about is the bottom half and top half of the moon there. We can try. Not very funny. Probably all we're going to need. Wow. All right. A14's got to be 20, which is black. Rinse first. Hey. Wow. Picked up the right one again first time. Looking for a long strip. That can't be right. A14. That's not A14. What the hell? Is this A? It says it's 3608A. But that thing is not A14. A14 looks like a little fork. Little fork here. That's definitely not. Is there more than one A? B. This is. There's more than one A. Oh my God. This is it here. It says to paint it black. Now when I look at this, there's a textured part to this. And I'm wondering if that's what they mean by painting black. And not necessarily the whole thing. 9. So this is going to go in there. Yeah, I think so I'm going to paint just a textured side black. Not the other side, because I think it's the exhaust or something to do with the exhaust, in which case it would probably be black. We've done the painting for step 3. You'll see here. Wash the brush, we're done. Looks like we've got some more preparations to do for part 3. C2s to go together, and then E8 goes on top of them. C2. Wow. They had these things connect between the sprockets. Now, that's not very smart. How the heck am I supposed to get in there with this? I may have to go back to the tried and true old twisty twisty. I'll make sure I don't get one of the teeth by accident. E8 was here. Okay, there's a little, each one has a notch to go into the other. So we'll glue those together. Oh, looks like it doesn't really have a, since they're the same. And this piece can go into either one. Oh, it's even got, yeah, it's even got little two little, I don't know if those are actually gonna go together. Try not to do more damage than we have to. I don't think anybody's even going to see this closely, but good practice for more detailed models in the future. Can't even see where those came off the tree. Oh, it's not true. All right. We already checked. These fit. We'll glue the hubs on later, after dinner. It's not a rush. We got a lot of pieces to go, so. What we can do is take off the other pieces. So we got two E9s. Two C11s. Looks like the mount. Oh my goodness. Okay. Where'd it go? Oh God. Are you serious? We have a missing piece, folks. In D29. Oh. Ah, should be the light. The light that we painted. But now we have to find that piece. Maybe it's in my clothes. One could hope. Okay, it's not on the desk. Crap. Only me. And I just read it on a Facebook group, when you're dealing with really small pieces, back it with masking tape so they stick to the masking tape, so when you cut them off they don't go flying. Prime example. Okay, I'm going to shut off the video and see if I can find that part.